Hi, this is Kurt Bennick at FortConstructionPros.com. We're here at the 2019 Work Truck Show. We're here with Grayson Kirksey. He's a severe duty product manager for Freightliner Trucks. Can you tell us a little bit about this 108 SD that's sitting behind us and why we should be considering pairing this with the DD8 engine?
So choosing Detroit diesel, in particular the DD8 as your engine of choice in the 108 SD is a great decision. We can tailor fit this engine to horsepower and torque ratings up to 375 horsepower, 1050 pound-foot of torque to meet your specific needs for any job requirement. In addition to that, it comes standard with Detroit Technician, and what this allows you is the ability to see the closest repair facility and who has parts. We also offer a multitude of PTO mounting options with the DD8. That can include front or rear engine PTO mounting.
Okay, and the virtual technician telematics is only available with the Detroit engine combination?
Absolutely it is. And that goes for any of our Detroit products matched with any of our SD products.
Can you tell me a little bit more about the fuel efficiency?
Absolutely. The DD8 is the most fuel efficient comparable 8-liter engine on the market and has the best maintenance intervals of any of our competitors.